Hey, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the text on your website. So specifically looking at your blog section, the reason this is white is because the text is white. So you can, when you scroll over it, it says H4 and it says text. To change that, you would go to design and then text, font color, and then change it to the color that you want. So I'll make it orange for now. That changed all of it here. Unfortunately, then it also changes up here, but we can't change this font color specifically by clicking on it because it just opens up the collection tab. But you can change this color. So we'll go into each of these boxes and select the font, and that will open up some new options for the design that we didn't have before. So I'll select the font here and then click on the pencil icon for color, and I'll change it to background color or primary color. And I do want to make sure that I set them all to the same, so that way at some point if you change this and you want to change it globally on the site, they're all the same. Otherwise, so I do want to set primary. Background. Okay. And I'll just do that with each one. Okay, so now those texts are white, these are orange. When you change the color for text, you would go to design, text. You're looking at different options here. Standard would be the font, bold, headlines. So standard is going to change, and the headlines, it's all going to be the same. Links are different. So another option is to have, like, this is H2 and it's blue. So if I go here, it's blue. And this says text. So that means it would be the standard, which is orange. So here's the thing is, these I went in and changed by doing what we just said. So some of these aren't going to change by the global font because they were changed individually in the text box. So this kind of changes the global element. So if I change this to blue, you can see everything that's being affected by the global element. But things that won't change would be things that I clicked on and then consciously changed the way that we just talked about. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Okay, bye.